Hi everyone, Mingalabah, it's Chris here again. Welcome back to another Elite English online tutorial. Today, we're going to be looking at 10 slang words and phrases that you can use right now to make your English speaking sound a little bit more natural and also have fun while you're learning English. So, what is slang? It's informal language that is used by a particular social group or culture. Some examples in Myanmar would be Sutang le, Lande no, Gate. These are the words and phrases that you won't find in textbooks. It's basically the language of the local and modern community. So slang in one English-speaking country might be totally different from another English-speaking country. Remember guys, it's only used for speaking in informal situations. Please don't use slang in essays, any formal writing, or in, for example, presentations or job interviews. Why should you use slang? Quite simply, it makes you sound more natural as an English speaker. It's also a lot of fun, it adds a bit of variety to your language learning, and I think it also makes you feel a bit more comfortable and confident as you're learning to speak English. So, let's get it! So, the first word today is cheers. Now, you guys know that we use cheers for when you have a drink with friends and you clink glasses before taking that first sip. Well, did you know we also use cheers as a substitution for thanks? For example, thanks for lending me your book. Cheers for lending me your book. Example number 2.
Your new haircut really suits you.
Oh, cheers, bro.
The next phrase today that we're looking at is hunky-dory. This funny sounding phrase means that everything is good or great, or that everything is okay. We use it to express that we're happy and content.
How are you today?
I am hunky-dory. Cheers. Example 2. Don't worry about anything. Everything is hunky-dory here, Mum. Number 3. Take the mickey out of someone or taking the mickey out of someone. Do you like making fun of your friends? Need to tell them that you're just joking? This is the one to use. This means to make fun of someone in a joking and affectionate way. It's very light-hearted and it just means to tease somebody. So you can substitute it in for, I'm just joking, no. I'm a lay. I'm just taking the mickey, no.
For example, don't be so serious. I'm just joking. Don't be so serious. I'm just taking the mickey.
Example number 2. My brothers are always taking the mickey out of me. I hate it. Okay guys, number 4 today is knackered. This one is one that I use all the time, literally. So it means very tired or exhausted. You can be tired. This is the next level, the superlative, knackered. For example,
Oh yeah, this hot weather makes me feel so knackered. I need a nap.
Example 2, I didn't sleep well last night at all. I'm so knackered. I love this pillow. Number 5 is kickass. So we're halfway there. Kickass might sound violent, but it's actually a pretty positive adjective. This means that something is really great or that you're really impressed by it. Substitute this in for good, great, awesome, fantastic. For example,
Whoa, that movie was so kick-ass. I want to be Batman.
example number 2. Wow, your presentation was kick-ass. Well done. Alright guys, number 6, we're over the halfway mark. Today, number 6 is freaking. Here is another one that I use a freaking lot. Freaking adds emphasis and weight to whatever you want to say, and it's a good substitute for my other favorite F adverb. But it's a nicer version, so you can use it a lot more freely. It's usually used to express annoyance, frustration, surprise, or anger. So substitute freaking in for very, really, or for example, man, it is freaking hot today. Example number 2. That movie was freaking kick-ass. I want to be Tom Cruise. Example number 3. Freaking hell, I can't believe our teacher gave us so much homework. Number 7 is stuff up or stuff up. Phrasal verb here. So this means to make a mistake, and we use it to express when something has gone wrong or if you've made a big mistake. For example, freaking heck, I really stuffed up that exam. Sad face. Example number 2. Yeah, sorry that I'm late. I stuffed up our meeting time and thought it was 30 minutes later. Alright guys, number 8 is dodgy. D-O-D-G-Y. Birds. Dodgy is an adjective that means that someone is untrustworthy or unreliable, or that something is unreliable, not good quality, or doesn't work very well. For example, don't lend money to him. He's a little bit dodgy. You won't get your money back. Example number 2.
My motorbike is freaking dodgy. It starts 50% of the time.
Faff. F-A-F-F. So faff is a verb that means to... bird. Faff is a verb that means to waste time doing meaningless things or to procrastinate. It's slightly negative because it's usually used when you're expressing frustration that yourself or somebody you know is wasting time. For example, stop faffing, Jun. We're running late. Just grab your wallet and keys. Example number 2. I didn't finish my assignment today because I faffed so freaking much. Number 10, lucky last for today, guys. The last slang word is scrummy. S-C-R-U-M-M-Y. And lastly, this is a great little adjective to use on the daily. And it talks about something that we all love, food. It means that something is... Scrummy can be substituted in for delicious, tasty, yummy. No words, get in my stomach. Example number 1.
The food at that restaurant is so scrummy. Let's go.
Example number 2. Philip's mum makes the scrummiest dumplings I've ever eaten.
Hello, Mingalabah.
Did you see what I did there? I used a superlative. If you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, please head over to our YouTube channel, CMP Language Life, and watch our recent video on nouns and adjectives. Don't forget to give the video a like and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any videos that we post in the future. There's heaps of English learning content over there, plus other videos as well. So, just to recap, today, guys, we've looked at 10 slang words that you can use in your English speaking right now. There are plenty, many more slang words out there, and we'll cover those in future videos. Please comment down below if there are any other slang words that you would like to know about or unsure about. We'd love to hear from you and we'd love to help wherever we can. And my lovelies, don't forget, practice, practice, practice. Slang cannot live inside your head, it must have a voice, so get it out and start talking. Hey, thanks so much for watching and we hope you've learned a bit today. Check out our videos if you want to brush up on your English language skills, review your tenses and conversation skills on CMP Language Life. Stay tuned, there's plenty more to come. Ta-da! See you in the next video, guys. Grandma is going with her sushi blanket.